Hi, I'm Kaushik Malladi with IBM, and I'm part of our global blockchain team and leading our solution. Really excited to be here with Zebra to talk about blockchain and how it's transforming businesses, especially in supply chain, and how edge computing can really transform businesses using a trusted data source or a ledger like blockchain. Blockchain is an exciting new technology that's helping enterprises leverage their data to establish trust and transparency. And by providing the visibility to what's happening within their supply chains, for example, and establishing the trust that's needed, it's really transforming the business processes in a meaningful fashion. And that's what we are really excited to see happening. At the core of the transformation that enterprises have to go through is how data can actually be leveraged. There's a lot of data coming online. I think there's ample studies to say zettabytes of data will be created in the next few years. The question won't be how much data we have, but what we will do with the large amounts of data we have. And one of the fundamental transformations that we are undergoing in our enterprises is having that data at the point where it's created to start making decisions using the data. For example, if you have a RFID tag measuring the temperature of food, can we really decide if the quality of food is changing over time right there? So enterprises are not shipping bad product around because that's time and money. And why not? And more importantly, it'll affect our customers and consumers and their health. So by able to really bring out the data at the point where it's created and make business decisions using mobile computing or RFID tags or augmented reality, we can really extend enterprises to that last mile and make the business outcomes much better. So I think blockchain as a technology is here. I think when the first question we get when embarking on any new technology, definitely in the case of blockchain, is this real? Is it really happening? Am I at the cutting edge? Definitely it's a new technology. But also, I think it's important for enterprises to realize that there's now a little bit more proven solutions in the marketplace. And therefore, when you start, I think the question is not if it works, the question is how can I use it? And therefore, drive outcomes that are meaningful and generate value to enterprises, as opposed to experimenting with it and saying this technology works or doesn't. So my advice, or my thought anyway, would be to actually use business situations and model them on blockchain so that you can actually start seeing meaningful outcomes because this technology has now evolved to the point where it's proven. Enterprises such as IBM and Zebra are perfectly positioned to make a difference in this world. I think definitely with the investment in research and development that these enterprises have put forward, either because of Zebra and its edge computing technology. It's been in the industry for the last 15 years and transforming supply chain and logistics for its customers, or IBM being a driver of this technology as being part of the Hyperledger Foundation and actually bringing the open source technology to become consumable for enterprises. I think this collaboration can only provide greater value for companies.